Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas and Jessica Winterstrom's small baby spinner. I've got about 5 minutes to do something, minus cat hairs. And this is Sherwin Williams semi-gloss latex. And I'm going to try and get the cap back out of that so it doesn't dry overnight. Looks like it needs to be spun around. It's looking very thick, actually. So why don't I do what I usually do? I haven't done a scoop and drag for such a long time. This might be a very bad time for me to try and do it. I can always add more pillow paint. I was going to use my blow dryer because I finally found one with a cool setting that I appreciate. But I think instead of that, I'm going to still try what I was going to try. I have no idea how it's going to work. It's been a long time, like I said. Let's just use some of the colors I love. Dancing Fuchsia. Frozen. WaterLily. Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Little orange crush. Unless it starts coming out faster, it's going to be a little for real. I've got some ginger flower, which I'm going to try and use. Some Whispering Wisteria. Whispering Wisteria before the ginger flower. And how about if I look and see if there's some Chantilly lace. For no good reason. You know what? I've got some turquoise cell activator and I think I want to use some of it. It's Atelier. And some black. And I'm going to use my blow dryer after all. I think that's my first time. I'm not too unhappy. But I think I'm going to take a little more cell activator. Whoop. Make a mess. Came out a lot faster than I anticipated. This is unconventional to say the least. Mostly because I have no time to do anything right now. I want more cell activator and I'm going to have to get it. Very soon. And a different palette knife. I do not mind black and white cells. This is basically just a first. Totally quickie. Nothing fancy going on here for sure. Some pretty colors though. Just gonna keep moving them to the outside. If I make them thin enough, maybe I won't have to spin too much. Whoa! That's a first. Find a new palette knife. I dropped one. I like this. I ran out of time, so hopefully my husband who's cooking dinner will forgive me. Okay, so get a few things out of the way. My spatula in the bucket. Grab my barrier. Although I want a straw because I want it to move some of these cells. To the center. Alright, here goes nothing. I see something flying, so there's hope that I might spread my paint out enough. I can't spin fast because I'm not used to this. I don't want it to go flying. Usually I put silicone on my arms. But I love the colors, so I'm not going to complain. Let's try it with everything on the arms equidistantly. I might want to put a spin in there. I really like spinning faster than this. I suspect if it dries, it'll dry with cracking. Because it's house paint and it's heavy. But at least I've moved paint out to the outside edge. And I used good colors. I'm going to take this down off here and take my chances and maybe spatter myself if necessary. Maybe I'll put it in between the two. Just learning how to use a new spinner. There, that looks better to me. If I had silicone, I could grab a hold of an arm and stop it without the painting flying off. So far it's staying on, yay! It's just going to keep spinning. Well, I like that, so I'm going to call it good. It's my first learning experience. Maybe grab a straw. Most everything made it to the edge. That's not probably how this is going to go the next time I try it, but it is what it is. See if I need to spiral a few things out. Right in the center, just because I can. Not sure about those, but I can always cover them with white, I suppose. So I should take a picture. I should actually, I see a bubble. I'm going to take my chances. I'm going to have to stir something into my paint to make it less thick tomorrow. There's really only one thing I want to do, and it's bugging me. So let me see if I can find another palette knife. And find a safe place to steal something from. There. I don't know where to put my extra. There we go. It is what it is. And it's kind of cool. Got to use my new toys. Alright, I love you guys. Plenty of negative space. Just no time to mess with it, which might be okay. That's a bubble. And now it's not. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.